discuss the specifications for the CS50 wiki project. So first we have to look into the elements that we are trying to achieve. So first I'm going to demonstrate the entry page. So here, if I would go into wiki and then type Python, for example, so this would take us into the Python info. However, if we just type something like git, so it says it doesn't exist in our records, or any random value. Yep. So the next one is the index page. So here in the index page, you can see all the records that we have at the moment, and each of these items can be seen or clickable. Okay, so the next item would be for the search functionality. Now here, we'll just try to type, say, Jan. So here it would still show the result for Django since it technically matches, or it almost matches the word Django. Same thing with Python or Pyth, for example. So it's going to show up, and then we can also see the info. So if in case it matches with the original names, for example, git, then it would take us automatically into that page. The next one would be for the new page. So here we can create a new entry. For example, we're going to type in React. And this also uses the Markdown language. So for example, here, React is one of the most popular JavaScript library. If I hit submit, it would automatically take us to the React information. And then if we go to home, we can see that that has been added into our pages. And then on the edit page, so all of these items can be edited as well. So for example, we click on the PHP, for example, and then we type on edit. Not sure if, okay. So if we hit submit, so we would automatically be taken into the edited page with the information that we have just specified. And then next one would be for the random page. So here, if we click on the random page, any of the encyclopedia entry would just show up into this area. So it randomly selects from all of the lists that we have. And then this also page, this project also shows the markup tool that was specified into the course requirements. So this is basically the wiki project that I've submitted. Thank you.